to see it, and it's gonna be so cool. So you better watch this for now, and watch our whole video when we're done.
Okay.
Come back.
And what you got?
I got this.
What are we gonna be doing today?
The experiment.
A what?
The experiment.
We're at Walmart right now. We actually just got it. So you guys stay tuned. So guys, we have made it back home in Jersey. I think he's so excited.
Yeah.
We're about to be ready to do this thing. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
You gonna do what?
Have this. So you guys take this off.
Just don't take it off yet, because I'm not sure. Well, we'll know what it's for. So you have that. Go ahead, get the rest of the stuff out.
Have this. I don't really know what this is for. Brush. And these. I don't know what these are.
I think this will probably help.
And it explode.
Yeah, help it explode.
And this is a brush.
Ooh.
Whoa. What is that? Ooh. A rock.
Rock?
2 rocks.
It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. It's gonna be crazy. We should have got something. Oh, that, I think I know what that is for.
What?
To, like, put white stuff on a volcano
Mhm.
and then look at the back. Look what they did. See that?
Oh, like they was molding it?
Yeah, and they didn't do that.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we are back. We had to go get a few ingredients that we need. Make sure you tell the kids to don't do this if
You have a parent.
you gotta have a parent, right?
Yeah.
So,
Don't do this unless you have a parent.
okay.
Only because you can do this until you have a parent.
Because we want to be...
Safe.
Okay, let's get it. Alright, guys, so...
Make sure you have something so it won't make a mess on the table, on the floor.
Let them know, let them know, let them know. Because we want to keep it clean as possible.
Yeah, so we don't get the floor dirty.
Alright, so you got to put the walls up in there, okay?
Okay, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Put them right there.
Mm-hmm.
And do that.
Yep.
And do that.
Okay, and add the last one.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then to help it be secured, you want to add the rubber band around it to keep it mold. Stretch, 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 stretch. Let me see.
Now we did it. Now we are going on to the next.
Oh.
Dun, dun, dun. Ding, 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 ding. School.
So you guys, you want to make sure that you place the rubber band around it to be able to
Hold it
hold the mold in place.
so it'll be secure.
Yes,
And we
sir.
have some of this. I don't know what it's going to be. And we have some of the lava.
Oh my goodness, this is about to be crazy. You think so?
Yeah, and I don't know what is this going to, is this going to get on the floor or is this going to stay inside?
Mold?
Yeah.
All right, so
Now, let's
we are
see.
going to pour. You want to do this part?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll let you do this.
and you got to help me.
Okay.
Whoa. This is not even red. Oh yeah, you can't put that much in there. Because it's going to get full.
They said the entire thing, Jersey. Whoop.
Uh-oh. That's why I have this stuff to get on there.
Mm-hmm. So we have all of that poured out.
Nice.
We have it in our bowl.
Need some water?
Yes, so it says that we need 1 cup of water. So we have our cup.
Yeah, I'll help you.
So actually, okay, you want to mix it. Okay, so it says to gradually add water, so we're going to pour it slowly, okay? And then you are going to mix it. Mix it. You ready?
Let's do this. Whoa. Whoa. Let's do the smoke.
Okay, you have to mix it, baby.
Whoa. This is cool. This is gonna be so crazy and it's gonna be so cool. So you better watch this for now. And watch our whole video when we're done.
Okay. We are just about finished mixing this up. I think we have a little bit more water. You want to pour the last bit of it?
Yeah.
All right. Woo!
I did all of it.
So be gentle, not too rough. We don't want to spill it out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we have finally got all of this mixed up. So now we are having to pour it into our volcano.
Yeah!
Yes,
So
is this the
cool.
fun part?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so remember, Jerzy said to make sure that you have a parent to help you, okay?
Yeah.
So
you can make sure you have a parent so you don't make a mess.
you ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Do it.
All right, guys, so we have all of our mold in here. We just got done pouring it. We have to let it dry for 30 to 45 minutes. So we will be back. You guys stay tuned.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we've already started taking this off, as you guys can see. So we took the rubber band off, and then it actually tells us to flip this. So I need you to pull this out. Whoop, there you go.
Easy.
Then take that off. Any extraness that you want to scrape off, you can. If there's any extra stuff on there,
And even this is warm too. You gonna feel it.
So the volcano is actually a little warm. I'm going to show you a little close up how our volcano looks. I think we did pretty good. What you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so the next step says that we can either let this sit for a day or two before we are able to paint it, or we can put it in the oven for an hour or two on 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it, babies. Hey.
Whew, guys, okay, we are back. We are back. Okay, so we got our volcano out.
And now we got to use.
What we about to do?
Put the volcano paint.
We about to do what?
Put some paint on the volcano.
Okay. have this painted like this so far. So Jerzy is about to start painting the red part. So here, Jerzy. So guys, we got the what done?
The lava.
The lava. So we gotta add a little yellow in there, okay?
Yeah,
all right.
Lava.
You think it look cool?
Yeah,
How many stars would you give this?
This really.
10? A 10 out of 10? That's my boy. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, so we are about to let this dry, and we will be back.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, guys, we are back. So we have our stuff mixed all up, and we have some soap right here. We have a little bit of vinegar, and then we have our water.
And I think we should do
And what do we have right here?
a rock.
A rock.
So
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, you got to show them. Okay, we have the rock, okay? So guys, for the first experiment, we are just going to put some dish liquid soap in there. Then we're gonna put this in here. Whoops. Whoops. And then we're gonna put some water. You ready? Countdown.
1, 2, 3. It stopped it.
It stopped it.
Huh?
That is so cool.
Told ya. Whoa. It got dirty.
It's okay.
But we can still use it.
We are back, and we're about to get this second one going. So we're going to put more dish liquid soap in there.
No more now. So let's do our last dish.
We'll put that in there.
Mm-hmm.
A little more. And then we're going to
put
put some vinegar. So on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Let's overflow. Then I'm
A
going
little water, guys.
Ooh. I'm gonna wait till this is done.
Go ahead, stop it. Which one do you think exploded the most?
At this point,
This one?
because it went everywhere on it.
It did?
Yeah, and it's a lot. So I'm doing this experiment. Subscribe and hit that like button and look at my YouTube channel and hit that bell.
hit that bell. You guys heard him. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel.
Peace. Bye.